today's Saturday. We're going to try and brush cut these brambles that are behind me. We've lost the fence in there, it's in there somewhere. So what we need to do is cut it back. Hopefully the brush cutter will keep running. Just filled it up, it's the first time we've used it this year. Should only take a few minutes, but we shall see. Whew. Doesn't look like much, but it's exhausting and quite a lot cleared. So very happy. Just have to clear it all up now. I've got a few brown bins lying around, so that's quite helpful to get rid of all these thorns. Okay, let's get that done. That's enough clearing for one day. Quite a lot. Just before everything starts growing again. Like this. Cool. Job done.